Welcome to The Explainer. We're diving right into the GatherSync user manual today. Look, if you've ever dealt with the absolute brain-melting headache of coordinating a group of people, well, you're definitely in the right place. We're going to walk through how you can completely transform your event planning process. We're talking about moving from total chaos straight to total control, all by using this brilliantly designed platform. Seriously, how much time do you lose to group text scheduling? Let's just tackle this universal pain point right out of the gate because we're going to show you exactly how to eliminate those endless, confusing text chains forever. You absolutely know the ones. 3 people say they can do Tuesday, 2 are holding out for Thursday, and somebody just replied yes to a question literally no one asked. Yeah, we're putting an end to all of that right now. Here's our roadmap for the organizer's journey today. We'll hit 1. Solving the scheduling nightmare. 2. Creating your first event. 3. Inviting and managing participants. 4. The seamless invitee experience. 5. Finalizing and live tracking. And we'll wrap up with 6. Power user pro tips. Section 1. Solving the scheduling nightmare. Getting started absolutely shouldn't be a hurdle. GatherSync is a fully responsive web app. What does that mean for you? It means 0 downloads required. You don't have to dig through an app store. You just head to the URL, enter your email, and the system shoots you a secure magic link. You click it, and boom, you are logged in, password-free, staring right at your events dashboard. No passwords to forget, no clunky onboarding, just straight into organizing. Section 2, creating your first event. This is where you build the absolute foundation of your gathering, and it's incredibly straightforward. You just hit Create Event. From there, you set the basics. Give it a clear name, say Monthly Mastermind, and then choose your format. If it's an in-person meetup, you drop in the venue address. If it's virtual, just paste your Zoom or Google Meet link. You can even attach meeting notes or a full agenda right there, getting everyone on the exact same page before they even RSVP. Now, this next part is a real game changer. Choosing your event type. You'll use a flexible event when you need the system to do the heavy lifting and actually calculate the best day for everyone. Participants just tap the dates they're free, and the app does the math. But if the details are already locked in, you just go with a fixed event, where guests simply RSVP attending or not attending. It really is that simple. Section 3. Inviting and managing participants. Obviously, an event isn't much of an event without people. The Actions menu is basically your ultimate command center. Tucked right in the corner of any event, that little button opens up a massive array of tools. From there, you can copy event details, import huge CSV contact lists, which is a lifesaver if you're hosting a massive conference, and seamlessly add people straight from your global participant directory. So you literally never have to type the same name twice. When you're ready to actually send those invites out, you've got 3 totally distinct, super convenient options. You can let the system's built-in automation fire off beautiful, personalized mass emails. Or, if you prefer, it can launch your phone's native SMS or email app with pre-filled templates ready to go. And for those quick, casual hangouts, just generate a shareable link and drop it straight into your Slack channel or WhatsApp group. Talk about saving a ton of back and forth. Section 4, the seamless invitee experience. Let's flip the perspective for a second, because the tool you use has to make your attendees' lives easier too. When your guests get your link, they aren't just dumped onto some generic, confusing web page. If they use the app, they're taken to a beautiful, dedicated dashboard called Events I'm Invited To. Everything is perfectly organized in one spot. They can manage their own responses effortlessly without ever having to dig through their inbox to hunt down your original message. And get this. Guests actually have full control to edit their own profiles. Say they prefer their full name over a nickname, they can just change it. They can update their phone number, throw in special notes like, hey, bring in a +1, or even drop in their digital twin URL, like a LinkedIn profile, which builds out a featured profile right on the event page. But here is the absolute best part. Any change they make automatically syncs right back to your organizer dashboard. That means absolutely 0 data entry for you. Section 5, finalizing and live tracking. Okay, so the RSVPs are rolling in. Let's talk about how the app actually does the math for you so you can get your time back. The tracking is incredibly clear. For flexible events, the system literally highlights the best day in bright green on your calendar grid, based entirely on everyone's availability. You just click it, finalize the date, and boom, everyone is notified. For fixed events, you get a real-time, crystal-clear breakdown of exactly who's coming, who can't make it, and who's still on the fence. It completely removes the guesswork. And don't forget, this platform is still working for you while the gathering is actually happening. When your event goes live, you can just pull out your phone, open the Take Attendance tool, and tap names as people literally walk through the door. This keeps all your post-event analytics and reports perfectly accurate, so you always know exactly who actually showed up versus who just RSVP'd and bailed. Section 6. Power User Pro Tips. Once you master the basics, these advanced tools put your organizing on absolute autopilot. The real beauty here is that you literally never have to start from scratch again. Say you've got a weekly Zoom sync or a monthly dinner club, you can create group templates to instantly pull in your regular attendees. Or you can just hit the Copy Event button to duplicate a past event, and it pulls over the venue, the links, the participant list, the whole shebang. But wait, it gets even better with recurring templates. If you set a schedule, like let's say, the first Monday of every month, GatherSync automatically looks ahead for you. It grabs the details from your past gatherings and just generates the future event for the correct upcoming date, completely on its own. You don't even have to remember to do it. The system just handles it quietly in the background. It's like having a virtual assistant. Now, this is absolutely crucial. Your participant directory also functions as a lightweight CRM. Imagine you meet someone great at a networking event. You can add them straight to your global directory and tag them with a prospect badge. You don't even need to invite them to an active event right then. Later, you can just filter your entire directory by prospects only to seamlessly manage and follow up with your leads. Finally, let's talk about total peace of mind. Your data is incredibly safe here. The app automatically takes these hidden safety snapshots right before you make any major actions. On top of that, your data securely syncs to the cloud across all your devices, and you have the ultimate control to export your entire site as a secure JSON file whenever you want. You are totally covered. Well, I truly hope this explainer has shown you how GatherSync can literally give you your valuable time back. By removing all that painful friction of organizing, it really leaves you with just one exciting, provocative question to answer. With the scheduling nightmare finally out of your way, what will you gather next? Thanks so much for joining me today, and hey, happy organizing!